And if you are looking outside your window, it might be a little kind of hazy, a little foggy out there in some areas. We do have a little bit of fog forming near the coast. Visibility is coming down near the island around Port Isabel. Not incredibly low yet, but it is running pretty high elsewhere. But normally these on clear days would be at least 10 miles, the maximum the sensor says. But getting a little bit, besides just fog, a little bit of smoke in the air too coming out of Mexico. Some of the agricultural burning that we find toward later February, March and April still coming up ahead of the cold front coming in. So there's a little bit of smoke in the air. It's in the moderate category, which isn't that bad. It's something we see a lot. But if you are going to be out there the rest of this evening and tonight, it might be a little bit of that haze still in the air through tomorrow morning until the cold front kind of clears everything out. But once again, there could be a little fog around the valley late tonight. We're not talking about probably the next couple hours in most areas, but if you're outdoors, say, as you get toward midnight or later driving or up early tomorrow morning around sunrise, could be a little foggy in some spots. I think the visibility may come down a bit more, especially along the coast over the next several hours. So again, maybe a little bit on the foggy side out there. And across the valley, you might wake up to a little sprinkles or some fog around as well. And if you're wondering why I'm talking so long about the fog, it's because I think the computer doesn't feel like moving right now at this very second. We're kind of stuck on that graphic, but it is going to be overnight a little bit of fog or clouds around the area, and only a small chance for a shower tonight. So there we go. Kick things into gear again. A little bit of fog possibilities tonight. Again, if you are driving, probably the best thing to do is, slow down. If you can't see what's in front of you, and don't go any faster to get to work in the morning. But low beams are good. Increase the following distance between you and any cars in front of you as well. Again, it could be a little foggy in some spots. Now we're looking for clouds to still be out there tonight. Satellite is full of clouds, and if you look out your window, it's very cloudy, but there's not any rain coming down. The clouds still not able to build up any showers. Might change later tonight. There's a storm system approaching from the west, not a strong front, but the center of it will be passing farther to our north, so that's where most of the rain chance is going. But as the front comes through, there could be a little chance for a light rain shower or two late tonight. So Future Track does show clouds around overnight, maybe a brief shower late tonight, but we're talking about some fog maybe coming in off the coast and moving inland overnight, say after midnight toward about 6 or 8 in the morning. Again, you'll see on the Future Track here a little bit of light rain shower activity pop up along the cold front around 5 or 6 in the morning and then move through the area by around 9 or 10 in the morning. If there is a shower, it's going to be pretty light and really not going to bring you much rain. Behind the front, though, the winds pick up. Winds get kind of strong during the late morning and afternoon, may gust up to about 40 miles per hour at times, but that brings the humidity down. And although the front's coming through, temperatures actually still stay up tomorrow. I think we'll be back in the 80s tomorrow, but a red flag warning in effect because of those gusty winds tomorrow. So don't do any burning tomorrow. The air will be dry. It will be rather windy. And then the winds calm down a little more on Thursday. Maybe a little breezy at the coast, but temperatures in the 70s for highs Thursday and Friday. And at the coast, too, we're getting close to spring break for some of you. Some people from other parts of the state or other parts of the country may be here for spring break. It's a little windy tomorrow. Winds from the northwest 15 to 25 miles per hour. And still about the same, but less gusty, at least through Friday morning. But it does cool off behind that front, especially at the coast. Highs may not get out of the 60s there on Friday. So the first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Highs 80s tomorrow, but with lower humidity, some gustier winds. Thursday and Friday look very nice. Highs in the 70s, lows near 50. It could be a little chilly in the morning. Saturday, we're back in the 70s with partly cloudy skies, and that little spinny thing there on Sunday is a clock. Set your clocks ahead 1 hour late Saturday night or early Sunday morning. You lose an hour of your weekend. But we keep warming things up beyond that with highs in the 80s Monday and Tuesday. And we'll keep tracking it coming up on Channel 5 News at 6.